Hello everyone and welcome back. Well, we're going to start putting down some of our elements onto the background. Okay, I like to go back and forth and work on the individual pieces, but then when I get a few done where I can start on the main attraction here, you might say, I like to do that too, because then that gives me a little more perspective of what I might need and how I might decorate the last couple on leaves and things on here. So I have 2 more petals and quite a few more leaves, but the 2 leaves is what I'm doing right now. And as you can see, for some interest and some scraggly things that always grow in the garden, I'm using yarn, and the yarn looks like this. Okay, so it comes off with several strands wrapped together, and it has lots of little fringy thread on there, so it really looks like something wild in the in the garden, excuse me. Okay, I'm just doing an overcast stitch on this leaf. If you're working on your 6-petal project, let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget that we'll be doing a fabric flip swap starting now, and that will run throughout next year, 2026. You make a fabric flip and mail it to me, and I will do one and mail it to you. Then I will make something from your fabric flip to show how wonderful they are for inspiration. They're a good little thing just to make for yourself. It's a good way to organize small scraps, and they are wonderful for inspiration. You pull out one of these little fabric flips and your mind starts racing with things you want to do with it. And a little bit later on, I'll show you how I store mine. Okay. To keep them nice, and also so I can easily look through them and see what I've got. I think this will be fun. If you make something out of what I send you, the fabric flip I send you, and you want to showcase it here, send it to me, to my email. Send me a couple of photos of it, and just a short description, explanation, anything you want to say about it, and then I'll put that on our community post tab here, so that the community can also see your work. So if you want to share like that, please do. I'd be happy to post it for you here. On this yarn, I'm just taking some straight stitches in it, just to couch it down, to hold it down. Doesn't really matter what color I happen to have green, so that's going to work fine. Okay, I'm going to have to tie off here. What are you having for lunch today? I'm having quesadillas. And I've already cooked the meat and got it ready to go, but I have to put the quesadillas together and fry them. But that sounds good, doesn't it? These will be just taco flavored quesadillas. Okay, let me grab another thing of thread here. Got it ready to go. All right, we're going to pull back this leaf right here. And let's see. I think we'll be fine with just starting on this bottom edge of this next leaf, because remember that this leaf will come over and catch that, and then we have a centerpiece, a large centerpiece that will go in and come over a lot of this area. So you can kind of judge where you need to start, and if you need to go back and catch it, well, that's okay too. You can do that. Okay. Again, I'm just doing an overcast stitch on these petals. You can use, like I said, any color threads that you want. As you can see, mine are quite mixed up. I have probably 4 different shades of green on these leaves already. And other colors, so, you know. I really hope that some of you will jump in on this fabric flip swap. I really am excited about it. It's so much fun for me to be challenged. And so when I get a flip from you, that definitely is a challenge. Okay, how am I going to incorporate these particular things that they included in their flip? That will be fun for me and challenging. And I think that also it will be a way for many who are new to slow stitching to learn how to just design intuitively, how not to be afraid of anything. Whatever you have, whatever you get, you can do something with it. And not just anything, you can make something beautiful. Okay. Fabric flips are nothing but a little collection of scraps, that's all. And it's a wonderful way to stay scrap happy. So make some flips, and you can send me as many as you want throughout the year. So you don't have to just hold it to one. Whoop, I need to cut a little thread here. See if I can do it with my left hand. Oh. You know, and for every one you send me, I'll send you one in return. So, and this is international. I will send them internationally. as I said in my beginning video, you need to go and, if you haven't, watch that, because I will be keeping my fabric flips under 1 ounce so that they can be shipped first class with a simple stamp, whether it be in the US or whether it be international. Now the international stamps here cost $1.70. The regular postage stamp costs 65 cents, I believe. And so if you keep it under 1 ounce, it'll be the price of the stamp to mail it. And mine will be under 1 ounce, or at 1 ounce. So it's not expensive. It's something anybody can do for the price of a stamp. And now internationally, that may be a different story. Those stamps are expensive. And so, but for those who do want to do it, I will return international participants flips. So, all right, what do you think? There's those leaves and little greenery and yarn sewed down. All right, so let me tie this off, and that's where we'll hold this video today. Okay, and so the next one I'll be coming back and I'll be adding some more. I'll probably get my other leaf done so that I can come on around this way. I think that would be the way I would do it. Get my other petal done, I mean, so that I can put my other leaf and whatever I want in there. So anyway, till next time, I hope you're working on your 6 petals. Stay scrap happy.